Plastic. It's the most common element in the ocean, but one form of plastic pollution you may not have heard of comes right from your washing machine.
A microfiber is a synthetic or a man-made fiber that is made specifically to be small in diameter. Meaning things like rayon is made from wood, but you can't just go to a tree and pull off bark and there's the fiber like you could with a cotton plant. If you have a camping jacket, something that you want to be super durable, or a pair of pants, or you're going to use it for a long time, or with the athleisure trend, you have the dry fit, spandex leggings, or the yoga pants, or anything that you would think that would be kind of close fitting for athletic wear.
These microfibers are made using a spinneret that pushes a paste-like solution through tiny holes, kind of like Play-Doh spaghetti makers you may have played with as a kid.
A lot of times these are coming off in the care process. So if you wash and dry your clothing, they will be removed during the washing process. So they'll go out with the wash water, or they could be found in your dryer lint, potentially getting through. They're too small to be cleaned out at the water treatment facility, and so then they're getting pushed eventually out to the oceans. The microfibers get absorbed into small microorganisms in the ocean. Then it goes up the food chain. So something eats those, and animal bodies are not able to digest or break down plastic. It will eventually get into whatever types of animals that humans would consume.
A study done in 2015 found human waste in the gut of 1 in every 4 fish, 80% of it being microfibers. However, there are things we can do to prevent further pollution.
You can care for your products less, so washing and drying less frequently. As Americans, we tend to overcare for our products, meaning that we wear it once and wash it. Most products do not need to be washed in between wear. Hand washing, you can put them in a fine mesh bag in order to trap the microfibers. I know that Patagonia is working on some sort of filtering system that you can get installed in your washing machine to help catch the microfibers before they get into the ocean. But the athleisure trend, we've been seeing that 10-ish years. I feel like potentially it's almost at its saturation point. Like with everything in fashion, that trend will eventually fade and we'll be on to something else. Unfortunately, it's taken a long time to get those through. So now there's a whole, billions of microfibers out there that now we have to take care of before we can immediately remove them. We've been polluting longer than we've known we've been polluting. It's going to get worse before it gets better.